Sessions 19 and 20, Variability. Variability is the measure of process consistency. For example, if the output ranges from 15 ounces of water to 16.5 ounces, the output variability is 1.5 ounce. If process cycle time is sometimes as short as 8 minutes and sometimes as long as 10 minutes, the cycle time variability is 2 minutes. Variability causes the following types of problems: customer complaints and returns, late orders, inconsistent cycle time or throughput, outputs that have to be scrapped or reworked due to unacceptable quality, and operator frustration with equipment, raw materials, or other operators. Reducing variability by making processes operate more consistently improves customer satisfaction, leading to more sales, reduces the need for inventory, reduces operator frustration with processes, and reduces the cost to manage processes. Variability can be broken down into 3 types. Input variability is the consistency of process inputs. Process variability is the consistency of processes. Output variability is the consistency of process outputs. If the inputs to a process are consistent and the process operates in a consistent manner, output should be consistent. In class exercise 24, the operators are asked to identify ways in which the outputs of the process from class exercise 3 can vary. Use this exercise to ensure that the operators understand the concept of variability. The second question asks how the operators determine if the outputs are acceptable. What tools and processes are used to determine if process outputs are acceptable? This will be discussed further when we get to critical measurements. One way to begin reducing process variability is to identify problems caused by process variability. Problems such as late customer orders, customer complaints and returns, outputs that have to be scrapped or reworked due to unacceptable quality, inconsistent cycle time or throughput, or operator complaints about equipment, raw materials, processes, or other workers. Then correct the problems caused by process variability using Pareto charts, root cause analysis, and action items. In class exercise 25, the operators will list some of the problems caused by variability. Use this question to ensure that the operators see the connection between variability and problems. Some of the problems may already be on your problem list. For question 2, the operators select one of the process variability problems based on impact, and then in part 3, draw a fishbone diagram to locate all the root causes. To prioritize and select a problem, you can use these methods: Pareto chart of the problems, which problem has the greatest impact based on group discussion. Take into consideration that upset customers can have a big impact on sales and profits. Work through drawing a fishbone diagram. Drawing a fishbone diagram takes some effort, but a lot will be learned from the exercise, and the proper corrective actions will become obvious. In sessions 21 and 22, we will discuss the role of critical measurements in reducing variability.